In this video, I'll show you how to convert a classic Descript project to a Descript Storyboard project. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, Descript is moving from Descript to Descript Storyboard. We are already in Descript Storyboard for a couple of months now, but if you're still stuck in Classic, this is how you can convert your classic projects to Descript Storyboard. 3 simple ways. So, this is a classic project. And if I go to the 3 vertical dots here and click, you can see the option to copy to storyboard. That creates a new storyboard version. So that's method number 1. If I open this particular file, I'll show you method number 2, and you'll see a prompt up here. And for any strange reason, maybe you close them out without reading, etc. But if you want to try Descript Storyboard, you can copy this project to storyboard and explore the new features. That is method number 2. And then method number 3 is just click on this particular Descript logo here. That particular drop down will pull up all that, and then you can click on copy to storyboard. Preparing to copy to storyboard. This doesn't have a lot of things, and you'll get a new window with Descript Storyboard. So these are the differences, and you can actually see what the classic looked like back here and what we have in Descript Storyboard. Let's maximize this, and this is what the new option looks like. And this is where we get your media, if you want to record, if you want to add titles, captions, etc., add shapes, use templates. Really simple, but simply put, that is how you can convert a classic Descript project to a Descript Storyboard project. 3 simple ways. Thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.